In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can find and change words in Adobe InDesign. I have a sample text here, and as you can see, let me zoom in, some of my sample text is in blue. Now we can go to Edit, and in Edit we can choose Find Change or press Ctrl Command F. And in Find Change you can choose a custom query, but there are also ready-to-use queries for you. Let's go with the custom query. Here you can say what you want to find. Let's say I want to find sample, and I want to change it to dummy. And then you can say where you want to search, all documents or document this document. You can also find the format and change the format if you want to. Now you can also choose direction. Let's just choose find next. As you can see here, it's telling us all the samples in this text, like that. And then you can say change if you just want to change one, or you can say change all. And now it says that it has changed 21 words, 21 samples into dummy. Now the other thing you can do is search for color. And here the color, if you have color swatch of the color you're searching, it will be added here. Or the one you added and didn't add as a swatch will be unnamed color. Let me change that one. So unnamed color, it's the blue one here. And I'm going to change it to, you can say find next, so it finds one. And it says it's completed because this one is a different blue. I'm going to say change all. And now it says it has changed one successfully. And as you can see here, it has changed it. Now I didn't add these blue colors to my swatches, and that's why there were two unnamed colors. This one is this one here. As you can see, it now finds this one as well. And then you can also change it if you want to. Like that. And that's an easy way to find text or find colors in a document and change it to what you want it to be in Adobe InDesign. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.